This is take one. Proud of your boy.
Placer Pop's Chorale and Orchestra has just completed a recording project at Skywalker Sound in beautiful Marin County, home of Lucas Sound and the famous stages. And we did a beautiful collection of everything from Gershwin, Summertime, to the wonderful musical Beautiful, featuring Carole King music, to a great part of Disney music, Proud of Your Boy, from the Aladdin musical. Speaks of the longing to be of pride for a mother for a son, and Eric Smith is our vocalist, and between him and the choir's soulful performance, I think you'll find it engaging.
That I've been one rotten kid, some sun, some pride, and some joy, but I'll get over these lousy, messing up, screwing up time. You'll see, ma, now comes the better part. Someone's gonna make good, cross your stupid heart. Make good and finally make you proud of your boy. Ma, I will try hard to make you proud of your boy.
Very nice.